Tell us something about your film Devakoofiya, and what is it that the students will love about your movie, and since you came to the FFC to promote it.
Okay. Ayush, you want to say something? Do you want me to start? You can start. Okay, great. I love it. So basically, I feel like the story is about how love is so much more important than material needs. Like, I think sometimes what happens is that you always like get into a relationship or get married to people for the wrong reasons, like money, job, education, etc., etc. But sometimes you just need to be with someone because you love them, because he's a good guy or she's a good girl, and they make you happy. And I think that's what's most important, and that's what this is. Very basic, it's very simple, but I think kids these days and young people these days are actually forgetting that. They get into relationships for the wrong reason. Oh, she's hot, let's just
The sketch of the film is that this guy is jobless and his girlfriend earns more than the guy.
and she's hot.
She's hot. Her father has a problem with that, of course. The sketch is very simple, straight, but the milieu is unusual. It's a very realistic milieu. It's not a typical rom-com. It's slice of life, and it's based on a session.
So this is a very unique pairing for first time you guys have been paired together. So how was it working with each other?
Terrible.
No, it was awful. He just like completely tortured me every
No, honestly, because as comparing to the actors you have worked with, before this.
This is the first time working with a star. I've worked with debutantes in the past.
I'm a star.
Yeah, of course, Sonam Kapoor is a star. She is. I'm not kidding, of course. So yeah, Sonam Kapoor, I think she's very sweet. Let's be straight now. Earlier I thought that she's a fashion icon, and pairing will be quite odd and unusual, being a guy next door fashion icon. But when I got to know her personally, I got to know that she's a very simple girl. She's very sweet, sorted, and she's seen life. She's a level film. So I also learned a lot from her. Not just things on be on camera, but also how to be off camera as well.
And that you can see it.
Okay, no, honestly, it was amazing working with him. Actually, I've never actually had the same co-star in any film before. So every time I do a film with someone, they're like, so how is it working? This is the first time I've worked with someone. Can you believe it? The only person I've worked with twice is Abhishek. Everybody else has always been, so I've actually worked with 10 different heroes. First was Delhi 6, and the other one is really not happy with my players.
Oh yes.
That's why it's So honestly, it was awesome. He's awesome. He like sings.
He's from Chandigarh, he has to be awesome.
He's awesome. People from Chandigarh are really awesome.
Dude, what is this? What are you talking about? Are you from Chandigarh?
Yes.
Oh, that's it.
As we grow old, along with age and the freedom comes a lot of responsibility, and we get a lot of chances.
And if you're Spider-Man.
I'm just Ayushman.
And we get a lot of chances to exploit that. So what was the Devakoofiya that you did when you were in college?
I only studied till the 12th. So unfortunately, I could only do like
Devakoofiya in school.
Until high school. After that, I started working. And my one advice is the biggest Devakoofi I've done in my life is not go to college. So people who are in college, please go to college.
Devakoofiya in school, having crushes on teachers and seniors. That was crazy. So yeah.
Yeah, a boy having a crush on a senior, that's never happened before. So it's
But
like-
still, yeah, the feelings are not mutual, so that's a biggest Devakoofi for sure. But apart from that, being an actor is also a Devakoofi. It's quite unnerving for somebody who's not from the industry and is not aware of the frills of the industry, that people are judgmental. So you have to be like a zen master and completely in control of your head to be an actor. It's very difficult.
I mean, you came to SRCC today. So how was the experience in Delhi University? As a whole, you moved to shot in Delhi and most of it, except Dubai. So how was it in Delhi, in the university today?
I was back in Delhi for the third film.
I can't even count. Delhi 6, Aisha, Ranjana, Milkha, and now.
So yeah, I think the city has a lot of character. The city has a lot of character. It's not just, there's old Delhi, there's new Delhi. This is a Nai Delhi film. Purani Delhi ki thi, ye Nai Delhi ki film hai. It's more urban, so this is the first time I think we're exploiting, after Aisha, that we're exploiting the urban side of Delhi.
And when we were in college, so we have a very minimal budget. and everybody wants to look good.
In a budget.
Yeah. So what advice can you give to Delhi
give the best
University
advice.
students when it comes to
On budget fashion.
Budget
yes,
fashion.
on budget fashion?
Go to Dilli Haat, pick up every like accessory possible under 200 bucks. Get a kurta or anything from any of the markets and accessorize yourself and you will look good. I think so. I think it's just about mixing and matching, being yourself, and being artistic and having an expression. I
For
think
me,
so.
I don't know, I should talk about fashion. Fashion for
Definitely.
me is a mood swing. Like if you feel like an introvert one day, you're okay with jeans and t-shirt. You feel like radical, completely extrovert one day. You think very radical to the
I
fashion.
don't think you should be that radical.
I think it depends on the mood swing.
I don't think you should be radical.
Why?
Just kidding.
I think I'm only radical when next to Sonam Kapoor. Otherwise, I'm okay with my jeans and t-shirt. This is not radical, but at
Oh,
times.
you look so cute now.
Thanks.
बेवकूफियाँ बेमतलब बेतुकी सी बेकार सी बुद्धू सी बेवजह बेवकूफ